Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very colorful spring inspired full glam makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm prepping my skin first by spraying some Pack Instant Prep and Prime. For primer, I'm first starting out with Milani Hydrating Primer. And for the pores on my forehead and my nosy, I'm using the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for the pores under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. To cancel out the pigmentation around my mouth, I'm using the orange color corrector by Miss Claire. In case you are interested in a detailed video or explanation on color correction, I'll be linking the video for it in the I button. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9. What I love about this foundation is that it is extremely hydrating on my skin, giving a very dewy and luminous finish to a very dry face. It has a buildable coverage, so you can easily layer it up if you want more coverage. And to blend it, I'm using my damp beauty blender. I'm using the PAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude to cover the breakouts on my chin, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To highlight the areas like my forehead, under eye area, chin and nosy, I'm using the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade Medium. This concealer is considerably lighter than my skin tone in order to attract more light to these features and in turn making them look more prominent. To blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. Now in order to chisel my face and give it some structure, I'm using a concealer that is darker than my skin tone, that is the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And to blend this concealer away, I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush. Be very careful while using this concealer as it is highly pigmented, so you don't need a lot to make it work, otherwise blending can become a real nightmare. For blush, I'm picking up this very rosy pink shade to give some color to my cheeks, and I'm using my angled brush to blend it into my skin. The blush that I'm using is from Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette. For highlighter, I'm using the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow Color Corrector, and to set the concealer, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder to my lids and to the parts of my face where the concealer creases the most. For my brows, I'm just using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette in my sparse areas. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. To warm up my crease area, I'm using this brick red shade Red Ochre from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. I'm further deepening my crease line with the same shade Red Ochre from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm blending this away using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For my outer corners, I'm using this deep magenta shade from the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette with my pack brush in the style 126, and I'm also dragging this shade into my crease a little bit. To blend it, I'm using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To cut my crease, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow Color Corrector with my flat short shader brush, and I'm only dragging the concealer till the half of my lid. Next, I'm decorating my lid with this shimmery peach shade from Nika K eyeshadow palette in this style Watermelon Splash with my dual-ended brush by EBH Cosmetics, and to neat out its edges, I'm using the flat short shader brush. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery silver shade Vermeer from Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. For my lower lash line, I'm smoking out this deep magenta shade from Sith's Beauty eyeshadow palette with my pack brush in the style 126. To finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And to set and seal everything in place, I'll be spraying some setting spray. This one's a PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. For lipstick, I'll be first applying this shade Natural Cocoa from Faces Canada, and then I'm topping it up with a light pink shade Make Me Mine, again by Faces Canada. And for falsies, I'm using the Rufa Beauty lashes in the style Lila. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a black tube top, which is completely invisible in this video. How appropriate. Why did I even bother to wear one? God knows. But anyways, I also paired it up with some gold statement earrings. Do let me know what do you guys think in the comment section. Personally, I found this look very romantic. Might even wear this to an actual date. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.